What if I told you that 5 simple exercises can completely transform your body? Let's start strong with the first one, the glute bridge. This exercise is perfect for strengthening your glutes, enhancing core stability, and relieving tight hip flexors. These areas are often neglected in men's workout routines, but they play a key role in overall fitness, posture, and injury prevention. Focusing on the glutes helps stabilize the pelvis and supports your lower back, making everyday movements like walking, climbing stairs, or lifting heavy objects much smoother and pain-free. Additionally, it promotes better posture and balance, which can improve performance in other exercises and activities. If physical activity feels like a struggle or you've been dealing with lower back discomfort, the glute bridge should become a staple in your routine. It's not just about strengthening. This exercise helps you move more efficiently, feel more agile, and even reduce the risk of injury. Now let me guide you through it. Start by lying on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Keep width apart. Press through your heels and lift your hips towards the ceiling, squeezing your glutes at the top. Keep your core engaged throughout. Hold for 2 to 3 seconds, then lower your hips back down slowly. After just a few sets, you'll start to feel your lower back working. If it feels too easy, challenge yourself by trying a single leg variation or adding some weights on your hips for extra intensity. The next exercise is the best for heart health and coordination. Let's dive into jumping jack. Jumping jack is a fantastic full-body exercise that helps boost cardiovascular fitness, increase endurance, and improve overall coordination. This simple yet effective move targets multiple muscle groups, including your legs, core, and arms, giving you a great workout in a short amount of time. Incorporating jumping jacks into your routine can elevate your heart rate, making it an excellent choice for warming up or adding an extra challenge to your cardio workouts. They also help improve balance and flexibility, promoting better body control and movement efficiency. Jumping jacks are perfect if you're looking to increase stamina or add a fun, dynamic element to your fitness routine. They help build endurance, which is essential for both athletic performance and daily activities. Plus, they are great for getting the blood pumping and increasing energy levels, so you'll feel more alert and active throughout the day. Let me show you how to do them. Start with your feet together and arms by your sides. Jump your feet out wide while raising your arms overhead, then quickly return to the starting position. Keep your movements controlled and your core engaged throughout the exercise. Remember to land softly to reduce impact on your joints. After just a few sets, you'll start to feel your heart rate increase and your whole body working. If you want to intensify it, try doing the exercise faster. Jumping jacks are an easy way to stay fit, improve your stamina, and keep your workouts fun and dynamic. Now, let's switch things up and explore an exercise that restores mobility and flexibility. Bodyweight squats. Squats are one of the most effective exercises you can do to strengthen your legs, glutes, and core. This powerhouse move engages multiple muscle groups, helping to build lower body strength, improve balance, and enhance overall mobility. Plus, they're a fantastic functional movement that mimics the motions you use in everyday activities. Incorporating squats into your routine helps boost your metabolism and increases muscle mass, making them essential for fat burning and improving body composition. Squats also support joint health, particularly in the knees and hips, by increasing flexibility and range of motion, which can reduce the risk of injury. This exercise is a must-have if you want to improve strength, endurance, and overall fitness. Squats not only help you build muscle, but also enhance your posture, making you look taller and more confident. They're simple, versatile, and effective, and can be done anywhere with no equipment needed. Here's how to perform them correctly. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, keeping your chest up and your back straight. Bend your knees and push your hips back as if you're sitting down into a chair. Lower your body until your thighs are parallel to the ground, then push through your heels to stand back up, keeping your core engaged the whole time. After just a few sets, you'll feel your legs and glutes working hard. If you're looking to make it more challenging, try adding weights, increasing the number of reps, or doing jump squats for an extra burst of intensity. Squats are a great way to build strength, improve mobility, and keep your lower body strong and functional. I bet you're already excited for the 5th exercise. It's one that can undo years of wear and tear on your shoulders and back. But we'll get to that soon. For now, let's focus on plank. The plank is one of the most effective exercises for building core strength, stability, and endurance. This simple move targets not only your abs, but also your back, shoulders, arms, and glutes, making it a full-body exercise in disguise. By holding a static position, you engage your entire core, improving posture and increasing overall body control. Incorporating planks into your routine can enhance your balance, stability, and muscular endurance, which are essential for everyday movements and other more complex exercises. Planks also promote a strong and stable lower back, helping to prevent injury and reducing the risk of lower back pain, especially for those who spend a lot of time sitting. If you're looking to improve your posture or develop a stronger core, the plank is an absolute must. It's a fantastic exercise for beginners and advanced athletes alike, as you can modify it to fit your fitness level, making it both challenging and accessible. Here's how to do it properly. Start by positioning yourself on the floor with your elbows directly under your shoulders and your body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core and squeeze your glutes, ensuring your body stays aligned throughout the hold. Keep your neck neutral, avoiding any strain by not looking up or letting your head drop. Hold for as long as you can, aiming to gradually increase your time. After holding the plank for a few sets, you'll feel your core getting stronger. To increase intensity, try side planks or add leg lifts to challenge your stability even further. The plank is a powerful move that builds a solid foundation of strength, improves posture, and keeps your body stable and strong. So now let me introduce you to the final exercise, the dead hang. You've probably seen people hanging from a bar with no movement and thought, what's the point? Well, this simple move is one of the best ways to improve shoulder health, decompress your spine, and build a stronger grip. If you spend a lot of time sitting during the day, mastering the dead hang can be a game changer. Here's how to do it properly. Find a pull-up bar or any solid overhead structure. Grip the bar with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Let your body hang freely, keeping your shoulders relaxed and your core engaged. Start by holding for about 20 to 30 seconds, and over time, work your way up to 1 or 2 minutes. Believe me, if you've never tried this before, it's not as easy as it looks. So begin with shorter holds to build your strength. Here's a quick and effective workout you can do 3 times a week by combining these exercises. Start with the glute bridge, performing 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Then move on to jumping jacks, jumping for 30 to 60 seconds for 3 rounds. Next, do squats for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. After that, hold the plank for 3 sets, holding for 30 to 60 seconds each. Finally, finish with the dead hang, starting with 20 to 30 seconds for 2 to 3 rounds. Over time, you can build this up to 1 or 2 minutes. Be sure to rest for about 1 minute between sets. This entire workout will take you around 20 minutes, addressing strength, mobility, and flexibility. If done consistently 3 times a week, you'll start seeing noticeable results. Share your experience in the comments below and be sure to watch other videos. Bye!